GetResponse is a powerful platform for email marketing, enabling businesses to build relationships, nurture leads, and drive conversions. Here's how to use it effectively. Create an account and set up a list. Sign up on GetResponse and create a new email list. This list will house your subscribers for targeted email campaigns. Build your subscriber list. Use sign-up forms, pop-ups, or landing pages to collect emails. Offer value, such as a discount, free ebook, or exclusive content to encourage sign-ups. Design and send emails. Use GetResponse's drag-and-drop editor to create visually appealing emails. Include engaging content, a clear call to action, and personalized email with the recipient's name or other details. Set up automation. Create automated workflows such as welcome emails, drip campaigns, or re-engagement emails. Trigger emails based on user actions such as clicks or purchases. Monitor and optimize. Track metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversions via GetResponse analytics. A/B test subject lines, designs, and CTAs to improve performance.